you might not have the opportunity again. And you have conducted these dismal local government elections, and you are saying SCF did it, where they are your employers. If the people have expressed dissatisfaction with it, why don't you call them to order and you say no? And if Kazim said, oh, the people that were brought in to come and conduct the elections, you have not controverted that. That all the persons, we have said in 95% of people who supervise these elections as EOs, as ad hoc staff, that is presiding officers, as polling clerks that you brought, they were all carrying members of ACM. Not just carrying members of ACM, because that might be difficult to prove. They were all agents in the last governorship election. For instance, Bess Ose, who was the youth leader in Igwebe, now became the presiding officer in Uniform Ward 4 in Igwebe in this election. He defected from the PDP just before the governorship election last year. And of course, he was an agent of the ACN. This local government election, a presiding officer in Uniform Ward 4 in Igwebe. And you have a whole host of them like that. And you are coming to the people. You are coming before a national television to say that the right thing was done. Well, yes, people can do things with imprudence. But I just believe that election is one thing that you cannot afford to discredit or discount the people and their interests, because it is the worst form of robbery. If you say there is corruption, this is corruption. This is corruption by excellence.
All right, Mr. Rege, could you hold on a minute? Let's get his response on this one, if you can hear me.
Their chairman, the 14 you swore in. No. If you say you want to say we are wrong, these 4 local government areas, I want to put a challenge, because the results too, you have written them within the ambit of the expectation that is what you have done. That is what the ACN has done. We are now saying these 4 local government areas, let the whole world come. Let us see how the ACN will win Eastern Northeast. Let us see how the ACN will win Eastern West. Let us see how the ACN will win Ikobaka. You see, these local government areas,
Mr. Rege,
like
you have to hold on now, if you will, because we'll have to get let's get Kazim Afegba to respond to some of what you said. Mr. Afegba, having heard what Mr. Rege has said,
what Kazim has said,
what's your response? Because he's mentioning specifics now about...
Chamberlain, he did not mention specific when he said about 5 p.m. that the materials arrive is until located 5 p.m. That is not true. There is
no, the latter part, where he said some... Okay, go ahead.
And voting continued. Took place. No, there was no place 5 p.m. That is outrageous. First, let me excuse Mr. Orogide, for his paraging words against me and all of that, talking about insolence and being not being a party man and all of that. I don't blame him. I rose to become the acting national chairman of National Democratic Party. So I've joined politics since 1995, and I know that I have played active roles in different political parties. I was never part and parcel of the PDP misrule in Edo State. I worked as a staff of the PDP at the headquarters in 1998 at point of formation, and I left at 2000 when it became obvious that we were going to derail. And we went ahead to register our own party called the National Democratic Party. So that is just putting the record straight. Talking about issue of SCN not putting words into my mouth and saying that the SCN is a thing and I'm confirming certain things. No. The issue is there were agents from different political parties who participated in the election. The ACN had its members as agents, and they participated and played that role accordingly. If they have issues or areas where they feel ACN members, carrying members were returning officers, they should collect their facts, present it to ACN, and go to the tribunal. The tribunal already set up to go and look at whether that influences the outcome of the election. It is not enough for them to make very blanket allegations. At any rate, how can someone who said there was no election, how can someone now be mentioning individuals who serve as agents and who said as presiding officers are belonging to ACN? He said there was no election, that it was a charge, that they should go to outright consultation. Then why is he making accusations that some persons are presiding officers of the ACN and what have you? The issue that I want to raise, which the man has not refused, he has not contributed or answered, is the fact that the PDP they knew that they were going to, lose gallantry, and they are refusing to accept the fact that they have become unpopular in Edo State. So why are they beating themselves around the bush or starting logic on its head just for the sake of pleasing the holo ritual of their godfather? I have said it repeatedly, even at local television here before the election, that rather than devote so much energy and time talking about the governor's age, they should go on the field to campaign for their candidates. It is not enough for you to raise issues after election and say that you were cheated out or the election did not take place. We have seen these visuals where there was voting and voting took place. And I'm saying this without fear of contradiction, that in fact some areas where the PDP intended to win are the areas where he mentioned, the local government of the Minister of Works, or not remember, Northeast, and that is one of the areas where they intended to win, and where the Minister of War reportedly, from the report we got, used his security apparatus to ensure that there was no distribution of materials at the point that the materials got to their locality. Another area is that the Benin Chief Esama also went to a police station and was stopped by angry youths who felt that they had no business coming to the police station to come and take delivery of election material in Okada area. We have it on visual. So let them respond to all those ones instead of just mentioning or calling names and making very wide allegations that have no place.
Okay, let's get
from the one that they had a strategy to ensure that the elections would not take place. That was the strategy they deployed. Because if they were actually serious about the elections, they would have an issue, proceed on campaigns, enlighten the electorate, and serve their candidates so that at the end of the day, there will be keen competition. But they let the governor to be on the field, why not they still look at government campaigning for the candidates of the ACN? So I don't know why they can't blue mother.
Okay, Mr. Oyede, we're running out of time. Could you respond to this one in about a minute? He says you didn't campaign, and while responding to that, what will be the next step now for the PDP? He says you didn't campaign, and while responding to that, what will be the next step now for the PDP?
Now, thank you. Let me say, he has said it a couple of times, and of course, some members of, the leadership of the ACN saying that PDP did not campaign. We are bothered to tell them that I hope you understand what a local government election, means. And then, of course, what local government administration is all about. Because that tier of government is the one that is closest to the people. If a councillor is going to come from the smallest political unit, which is the ward, to represent the ward in the council, of course, we do not. The chairman of the party in the state does not need to go to a small ward in the state to go and campaign, because that is the one that is closest to the people. It will be the choice of the people to make. It will be the choice of the people to make at that level. Then, of course, the next unit is the local government. The local government is a bigger constituency, and you have 18 of them in the state. The party at the state level didn't need to carry its apparatus on a jamboree to every local government to go and campaign. Rather, what the party did was to decentralize its campaign. At the ward level, we took our party leaders and the people to go and campaign for their councillors. At the local government area level, we asked our party leaders in that local government to take their candidates to go and campaign. So, if we didn't come to Ring Road in Benin City with the party apparatus and all our ministers and our national leaders, National Assembly members to come and campaign, that's what they mean that we did not campaign, which is their usual jamboree. Then it's unfortunate, which means they don't even understand what campaign means. We did our campaign very effectively. Our PDP has added value. All this while.
Okay, Mr. Oyede,
so instead, as a party,
wanted that
and
to
the
be short,
the party today has
we're running out of time, but
the campaign that we carried out.
Okay,
Number two, I want to say that, just like you said, that election materials, when SF chairman told us that the materials were coming from overseas, they were printed, and that the aeroplane were bringing it from Lagos to Benin City, and all of us, they all waited with the SF chairman to go to the airport. They stayed there till 5 a.m. until vehicles came in from